Welcome to your ultimate pit stop, Piston Pundit, where we dive deep into all things automotive. Today, we're peeling back the layers on the topic of used electric vehicles. Thinking about venturing into the world of pre-owned EVs? Hold on to that thought, because we're about to uncover top 7 reasons why they might not be the bargain you're hoping for. Reason number 7. The impact of depreciation on used EVs. Depreciation plays a pivotal role when considering used EVs. Unlike their gasoline counterparts, electric vehicles can lose up to 50% of their value within the first 3 years, as highlighted by recent 2024 reports. This rapid depreciation stems from continuous advancements in EV technology, where newer models boast longer ranges, faster charging times, and enhanced performance. Consequently, older EVs can quickly become outdated in comparison, diminishing their appeal and market value. Moreover, concerns over battery life and replacement costs further contribute to depreciation woes. Batteries, being the priciest component of an EV, degrade over time, potentially incurring significant replacement expenses for buyers. Additionally, governmental incentives favoring new EV purchases can deter interest in used models, creating a disparity in market desirability. In essence, while used EVs may appear cost-effective initially, their steep depreciation curve underscores the importance of weighing value retention against the allure of newer, technologically superior alternatives. Reason number 6. Outdated technology. In today's fast-paced tech world, older EVs can feel outdated compared to their modern counterparts. EV technology evolves rapidly. What was cutting edge a few years ago now may seem antiquated. For instance, older EVs can take significantly longer to charge compared to newer models, which breeze through charging stations. Their limited range and outdated battery technology mean more frequent pit stops, akin to a smartphone with a short battery life, frustrating and inconvenient. Newer EVs with advancements in battery tech offer lighter, more powerful, and longer-lasting batteries. So, buying a used EV means entering a tech race where yesterday's model may not meet today's standards. While buying used saves money initially, considering slower charging, shorter ranges, and older batteries might feel like settling. Sometimes waiting for the latest advancements, despite the higher cost, proves worth it in today's fast-moving tech landscape. Reason number 5. Recurring EV issues. Some steer clear of used EVs due to recurring issues, enough to go around. There's range anxiety, that sweat-inducing worry if your EV will make it to the next charge. Newer models boast better range, but used ones often need more frequent charging due to older tech. It's like a smartphone, great until the battery dies midday. Charging poses issues too. While cities have spots, rural areas may lack chargers. Insurance is another hurdle. EVs cost more to insure due to high-tech parts and repair costs, leaving insurers cautious. Going green and saving on gas appeal, but with used EVs, it's about weighing range, charging hassle, and insurance costs. For many, sticking to a reliable gas-powered ride seems simpler and more dependable. Before we delve deeper, do us a favor and smash that like and subscribe button. This helps us reach more auto enthusiasts just like you. Now let's shift gears and steer towards our next point. Reason number 4. Difficulty in repairing EVs. Considering a used EV, it looks sleek, runs clean, but here's the scoop. Fixing one isn't like your grandpa's gas guzzler. EVs have fewer parts, but repairs aren't simple. No quick fixes here. Instead of a spark plug, it's chunks of pricey high-tech gear. Finding an EV-savvy mechanic? Not easy. Unlike oil change shops, specialists are rare. Issues mean hunting for expertise, often pricey. And warranties? New cars offer peace of mind, but used, threadbare. You foot the bill for any glitch, and with EV tech, costs add up fast. EVs promise low maintenance, but don't be fooled. When they go wrong, bills hit hard. Without a warranty, it's a gamble. So while EVs are sleek, be ready. It could sail smooth or sink your savings. Reason number 3. Changing market demographics. When electric vehicles first appeared, they appealed to the affluent. eager for the latest tech and comprehensive warranties. But these warranties don't last forever. As early adopters upgrade, their used EVs enter the market, yet new EV buyers prefer fresh warranties over potential maintenance issues. So who buys these used EVs? Mostly middle and lower income families, budget-conscious and cautious about expenses. They seek reliability without draining their wallets on repairs and upkeep. Used EVs, though eco-friendly, pose risks. Costly battery repairs, scarcity of EV-savvy mechanics, and sparse charging stations. Choosing a used EV seems economical, but it's a gamble. For those unable to afford new, it's a calculated risk, hoping for savings but possibly facing challenges. Buying used EVs isn't just about saving, it's about navigating available options, often with unexpected hurdles. Reason number 2, battery issues. Buying a used EV might seem like a smart, eco-friendly choice, but battery issues can quickly turn that bargain into a headache. EV batteries start losing capacity from day one, and replacing them is costly. Thousands of dollars costly. Manufacturers promise long warranties, but these often expire by the time you buy used. Battery degradation is another concern. Capacity drops faster than expected, impacting how far your EV can go. Unlike checking oil or changing spark plugs, assessing battery health is complex and expensive. Imagine investing in a cutting-edge car only to discover its battery is already losing efficiency. So while used EVs offer initial savings, beware of potential battery woes. They could transform your deal into an expensive ordeal faster than you can say range anxiety. Reason number 1, safety concerns with used EVs. Safety is crucial for every vehicle owner, and used electric vehicles come with unique safety challenges. Recent 2024 reports underscore specific concerns potential buyers should consider. One major issue is battery integrity. EV batteries are sensitive to temperature, physical damage, and wear, with degraded casings increasing the risk of fires or explosions. Unlike gasoline vehicles, EV batteries burn at high temperatures, posing challenges for firefighting. Used EVs may conceal accident damage affecting critical systems like the battery and electronics. Aging software in older EVs can compromise safety features, while outdated structural designs may reduce crash safety. Moreover, sourcing replacement parts for older EVs during recalls can be challenging. While used EVs offer affordability, safety should be a top priority. Buyers must research vehicle histories, update safety systems, and consider specialist inspections for informed decisions. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe for the latest updates and future videos. See you next time.